Hey everyone, today we're showing a bit of an outdoor revamp and turning this into this. I am alone with the girls this week. The boys are on a trip to visit Russell's mom, but before he left, he helped me transform our old table. I actually sanded down this table and tried to fix it last summer an easier way. And as you can see from our current table video, we took this video and clearly the oil that we put on it did not work and did not last past one summer. So this year we are doing it the right way and we're going to show you exactly how we did it. Plus we're going to build a little bench to complete our outdoor table space. So let's show you the whole process. And thank you to Wagner for sponsoring this video. We're going to be using their sprayer to spray all of the stains on our table and our new bench. So I'm just outside waiting on Russ. We finally have some nice weather, so we are going to try to restain our teak table today. We're going to use our Wagner sprayer, so it'll be quick and easy, but we're using a 3-step process that Russ previously used on the boat, and that held up really well on the teak there. So I'm pretty confident it'll hold up again very well, and hopefully we can get it all done in one afternoon. So last year I used this Watco teak oil and obviously it did not stand up. So this year we are using the paint sprayer and we're going to be putting this 3-part Starbright process on, and I'm really excited to show you guys the transformation. You don't have to use a paint sprayer for this, but it's just nice in our case because it will help get all of the materials inside all of the cracks and nooks of the table. Russ started by spraying all of the surfaces with water to make sure they were all damp, and then used the paint sprayer to spray step 1, which is the teak cleaner, onto the entire table. We're using the Wagner QX5 for all of these spraying projects because it just works so well with these light materials.
Oh yeah, look.
Leave the cleaner to sit for about 3 minutes and then use a scrubbing pad or a bristle brush to start scrubbing away that old gray texture, and you will see a transformation almost immediately. We also had some outdoor chairs with teak arms, so we just tackled both projects at once.
Yeah, it looks so much nicer.
You don't have to use the cleaner multiple times, but we had a couple of really dark gray spots even after the first coat, so we just did a quick second coat, really concentrating on those dark areas. Then we moved on to step 2, which is to spread the teak brightener across the surface of the wood and then let it sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing it all off. Here's how our table looked when we were completely done cleaning it, and here is how it looked when it was completely dry. Honestly, at this point, this transformation is just amazing to me. The final step is to add the teak oil to seal and protect everything. So Russ sprayed the entire piece, and then we used a cloth to wipe off any excess oil that was on it. We ended up doing this process a couple of times because after it dried, we wanted the finish to be a bit darker, and we found just applying some more oil helped protect it more and darkened the finish.
Okay. For our outdoor dining area, we decided we wanted to add a bench for our table. So I grabbed some wood. Lindy gave me an inspiration picture to kind of work towards for design, and I'm gonna start cutting and gluing and building a bench. When you're doing outdoor projects, you want to make sure you use the right glue. So normal glue or kind of the traditional glue, wood glue, the yellow stuff, if that gets wet, it's actually going to debond and your piece could fall apart. So this stuff here, and there's a bunch of different brands that do it. This is an outdoor wood glue, and it says specially made for or can be used for patio furniture. So that's perfect. But the biggest thing is that you want to see is that it's an outdoor glue.
Ooh, it looks good.
Yeah, it's coming together. But I marked out, so the table legs are sitting here. So this is where...
Where's the table? The table's wider.
It's like 2.5 inches on either side. And this is where the table legs would sit. Yeah, 56.5 inches between the...
I think you want these inside.
I think that
then it's
overhang.
gonna be like edge of table, edge of this, table legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If we set it like 9 inches from the end. Oh, look at you, bang on.
Welcome.
This is why I keep you around.
This is why I keep you around.
It's like winning.
No, I think that's gonna look really nice. Russ had to test the stability of his new bench, and when he was happy, we pulled out our Wagner QX5 sprayer again to spray on all of our stain and polyurethane to finish the bench. We pretty much use this sprayer for all of our staining and furniture protecting because it just goes on so smoothly, gives such a nice coverage, and gets into those cracks so quickly and easily with really minimal cleanup. We are ready for another summer. Our patio is ready. Our teak table looks amazing. Like, look at the finish on this. It's so nice. We only spent an afternoon doing it, and it was totally worth that one afternoon to see it looking so bright and fresh again. And our bench turned out amazing. We decided to add the bench just so we had a little bit more seating on our patio. All the kids can kind of squish into there and the adults can have the chairs. And I'm really glad that we did that. The bench looks amazing. Russell did an awesome job. Totally worth spending a few minutes fixing the arms of these chairs too, so we have a little sitting spot and a couple extra chairs to pull up to the table when we need them. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm so happy. It's so fresh and nice out here, ready for the summer. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Let Russ know what you think since he's not here. And as always, hit the bell so you don't miss out on future affordable DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching.